Welcome aboard the stunning Infinite Ocean View balcony on Star of the Seas, part of the largest cruise ship in the world. Step inside and feel the ocean follow you. Whether you're relaxing in the cozy seating area, enjoying a drink, or opening the full-length window to let the sea breeze in, this space blends indoor comfort with open-air views, giving you that endless horizon right from your room. Imagine waking up here. Every morning feels like a dream at sea, and with the ocean as your backdrop, every moment feels like pure luxury.